I'd like to do a shout out for Lila Farms in the attendance office with all the amazing things that she does for all the kids and families in this school. She makes life wonderful for everybody.
Shout out to Mr. Young. Well, I think he's a very great teacher because he's really smart and he teaches me a lot of things and he's very funny.
Shout out to Mr. Rosenwald because he's a really great teacher, he's funny, and even though I don't always have a good grade on tests, he always helps me retake them, and he's an amazing math teacher.
Shout out to Mr. Henry, my human geography teacher. He's very smart, intelligent, and he always makes fun of me, but he doesn't in a playful way. But it's okay. He's always nice and loves me during my tests.
Shout out to Ms. Lhasa. She is an intelligent teacher. She's been there for me since day one, since I started school. She's already worried about me every time I get a bad grade or I don't turn in homework. And she always helps me in homework during seminar in the art.
This shout out is por el señor Centeno y el señor Segura for all their hard work on a daily basis. Thank you, señor Segura and señor Centeno, for everything that you do for everybody.
I just want to give a quick shout out to Ms. Coomer. Thank you for all your help with PBIS. You are a huge asset to our school, so thank you.
Shout out to Bill the janitor. We love your friendly comments and colorful sarcasm.
Nene Slinger, thanks a lot. You've helped a lot with this transition in this first year. I definitely couldn't have done this without you. Really appreciate all your help this year. Thanks so much.
Shout out Mr. Meyer. He's the best math teacher I've ever had, and he's a great football coach, and he's almost like a friend to me.
Hi, my name's Jordan Horner. I'd like to give a shout out to Ms. Popovic. She's always told me just to be myself, and she's always pushed me to achieve my dreams. And because of her, I'm planning on going to college, and I've accepted who I am, and I'm moving on in the future.
My name is Gabe Castro. I'd like to give a shout out to Ms. Faye, Ms. Jendel, Ms. McNally, and Mr. Mott for making my senior amazing and for always being there for me.
I'd like to give a shout out to Madame Ruiz for teaching me how to be successful in another country and taking me on a trip of a lifetime this past spring break.
My shout out is for Gabe Castro for being an amazing friend, and I'm glad I got to know you this entire school experience.
Shout out to Mr. Korsky for being a great coach and making my senior year so memorable.
Shout out to McNally for getting me involved in theater.
I'd like to give a shout out to Ms. Bloomquist just because she's helped me the last 4 years through high school, and she's helped me just grow as a person.
Ms. Medina, I definitely couldn't be here without you. You've been such an awesome mentor this year. Thank you so much for all of your help. I'm really looking forward to next year. Latinos Unidos, woo!